Is Adobe reporting the DVA app support DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. While preparing the manual steps for DVA app support, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the DVA app support, the Adobe Digital Video Application Support Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of common application features like window docking and preferences across Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Prelude. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error usually indicates that the Adobe directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of Adobe to replace specific required files, such as Dvaappsupport.dll. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the DVA app support file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type LODC_R, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Dvaappsupport.dll from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing DVA app support and maintaining system stability. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got DVA app support working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.